So we have about 77,000 kilometres of overhead power line that we need to inspect and manage every year. In that 77,000 kilometres, there's somewhere in the realm of 13 to 15 million trees that must be managed and must be maintained. We are in place to mitigate any fire risk and any safety risk to the public, and by ensuring that vegetation doesn't come into contact or come into the proximity of our power lines.
The 407 has just been a great addition to the fleet.
We've used helicopters over the previous 3 years to replace our ground inspection. So previously we had men and women in cars driving around inspecting our lines, and we've replaced that with 3 helicopters, which is able to complete the inspection annually and in a much quicker and more accurate way.
It's predominantly LiDAR imaging machine, so it has a scanner, a VUX 240 Regal scanner on the back, and it builds a digital model of the power line network as we fly over it for bushfire mitigation.
Which allows us to accurately, down to the centimetre level, determine how close the vegetation is to our power lines. So the efficiency gained by these helicopters and through our inspection methodology allows us more time to plan and more time to cut the vegetation required. We are the first of the distribution businesses in this country to go to a fully based LiDAR inspection program.
It's just the speed, and the versatility of different aircraft and what we can do. We can tackle any terrain that's in front of us. We fly the distribution network, so it's constantly just moving and changing directions. You're in and out of wind, contouring the ground. We are the 4-bladed rotor head, so it's a lot nicer with the turbulence in and around the mountains.
Previously, we were just able to complete the inspection within 12 months. Now we're able to complete the entirety of our network within 8 months.
We've got it currently on a 150-hour maintenance release, so just the ability to be able to send it up to Mildura, which is about 4 hours from here, for the week and not have to worry about any maintenance or anything going wrong with it while it's away, and it does its job and comes back.